Hello, I'm here to demonstrate about the experiment number one regarding the Unix lab. Here I have to create, I have to execute certain commands that are related to Linux and Unix. Okay, so here are a few commands which I have done. That is, the touch command is used to create a new file. CP command is used to copy file. MV is to move or rename file. CD is to change a directory, then PWD is to show the present working directory, and LS is to show the list of the files that have been created till now in a directory or in your working area. MKDIR is to create a directory. RMDIR is to remove the directory. CAL is to perform a task give it like perform a task, okay, required task, where I will show you with an example. Grep is used to choose a particular fields from a given group of data. Then a tail command is also executed in in one of my command. I'll just show you where is it. Okay, here I'm coming that list the contents of the user home directory for including the hidden file. Normally, when I'm going to show the number of like list the number of files, I'll just give ls. But as they're asking to show the hidden files also, so it is ls of minus a. Then list the content of slash where directory. So here it is ls slash var. Now here to create directories, as I've already told you before, it's mkdir. The command is mkdir. So they asked me to create two directories, that is dir1 and dir2. So it's mkdir1 and mkdir2. Okay, so by this I'll be created two directories. I mean, two directories will be created. Now create a hidden directory with your name. So to create a hidden directory, I will normally to create a directory, I'll use mkdir. It's the same command mkdir, but to do a hidden directory, it is dot with my name. My name is Niharika Reddy, so mkdir dot Niharika Reddy. Next one is to change into directory one. I will change one directory name to another directory name. So the command is cd dir1. Copy the file slash etc slash password file to the current directory with sample.txt as file name to some other thing. My command is cp slash etc slash password. I mean psww ps psswd sample.txt. Okay, so I'm changing the file name. Now change your home directory. Use pwd command to check you are in home directory. Okay, now to change the home directory, I will use cd command to change directory the command. So here I'll be given a few names that I told you before. Grep is a command which is used to select a particular amount of data required based upon your use. So here is the certain data. So now the first question, I mean the subdivision of the eighth question is display the student's name who having research interest as grid computing. So grep grid computing text one dot txt cut minus f1. So it will only display the students who are regarding the grid computing course. Then next the B part is list all the students names and register number in the class. Then cut minus f1 comma 2 test1 dot txt. Okay. Next question is display the contents of the file test1 dot txt without any blank lines. It's grep minus v, then it's normal quotation open, dollar, then in quotation close, text1 dot txt. So here it will show you without any blank space. The next one, move the file sample dot txt from directory 1 to directory 2. So it is when you have to move command mv dir1 slash sample dot text to dir2. Next, change directory into dir2 directory. Change directory command is cd. Then check whether the file sample.txt is present there. So if I have to check, it will be present working directory. So pwd command. Next, rename the file sample.txt to new text. New.txt, check whether the sample text is there or not. So move is normally mv sample.txt. to new.txt. Display the calendar of December 2020. I told you, I'll tell you a command where I have to execute the cal function. Here it will display a particular task. Okay, now if I have to display calendar, I'll use cal 1220. Okay, it will show me the date of 12 in 2020. Then remove the directory dir1, dir1. Then display the last three lines of the file text test1.txt. So last three, it is the tail. So tail minus n 3 test1.txt. Then display all the commands you have executed so far and save the list into a file named today's history.txt. Okay, so history uh, uh, history is greater than symbol today history.txt. Now in this it'll see there'll be in this today history.txt all whatever commands you have done, whatever things you have executed will be present. So when I open today history.txt, all my functions which I have done for the present day will be shown there. Next, how many files are present under your home directory? ls minus w slash that pipeline ls minus l. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.